Dear students and audience, welcome to my online class. Dear students, welcome to my online class. This is Masum Billah, Assistant English Teacher of Nengular School and College, Mudirampur, Jashore. So dear students, let's start a dialogue between Tamim and Taz, and our today's dialogue topic is importance of learning English. Dear students, you can see two persons here. One is Tamim and another is Taz. They are sitting on a bench and they are discussing on importance of learning English. Tamim is asking, "How are you and where are you going, Taz?" Taz, "I'm fine and I'm going to English language club." Tamim, "English language club? Why?" Taz, "To learn English." Tamim, "Why do you need to learn English?" Taz, "Don't you know the importance of learning English?" Tamim, "Sorry, I don't know about it." Taz, "Okay, I will tell you about the importance of learning English. Tamim, "Please tell me." Taz, "English is an international language. It is widely used in many countries of the world. To communicate with the foreigners, English is essential." Tamim, "What are the other advantages of learning English?" Taz, "Without efficiency in English, none can expect to receive higher studies. For getting a good job in this competitive world, learning English is a must for all." Tamim, "Is there any easy way to learn English?" Taz, "Yes. Besides reading your textbooks, you can watch English movies. It will improve your listening power. You can also read English magazines." Tamim, "Yes, I realize the importance of learning English. I will also go to the English language club to learn English." Taz, "Please come with me." Tamim, "Thanks a lot." Taz, "Have a nice time." Okay, dear students, now it is our time for group work. Okay, now you discuss and tell something about your aim in life, and your time is 5 minutes. Now it is time for evaluation. I will ask you some questions and you will answer the questions. What is an international language? Think it about the question and now answer. Yes, you are right. English is an international language. Now our second question, why is it important for all? Yeah, it is important for all for getting a good job in this competitive world, or to communicate with the foreigners, etc. Now the third questions, what are the advantages of learning English? Dear students, there are many advantages of learning English in this world. Without learning English, you cannot get the task of higher studies, because all the books of higher studies are written in English. That's why. Dear students, now it is time for homework. Please write down. You will write a dialogue between you and your friend about your preparation for the coming examination, and you will submit the homework tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Dear students, thank you for attending my class.